Want to install the Bitwarden extension in Google Chrome? This is how we would accomplish that. Just an FYI, if you are in the office, you do not have to be connected to Epic VPN. If you are out of the office, please make sure to connect to Epic VPN first, then you can access Bitwarden. Now, let's get this extension installed. Click on Google Chrome. Click on the three dots. Hover over More Tools. And click on Extensions. Click on the three lines to the left of Extensions. Click on Open Chrome Web Store. Searching the store, we're going to search for Bitwarden. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And as you can tell, the Bitwarden extension is installed in Google Chrome. Now we want to access it, so click on the icon. Click on the cogwheel. You will be clicking on the cogwheel just this one time so you can set up the self-hosted environment. And the server URL for that will be https://bitwarden.epiccreative.com, and then click Save. Now you can log in. The login is what you created for your Bitwarden account. Click Login. And you are now logged into Bitwarden. If you need any assistance, please contact Epic Tech.